to third place, TGV Prasad, others headquarters. Next, hammer throw ready down in it. Next hammer throw, first place goes to SK Nagulmira, Tullur. Right. Second place goes to K. Thirumal Rao of other headquarters. Double Sanmat. Next place, Shyam Kumar Mari ASF of other headquarters. Second place goes to Shyam Kumar Mario. Third place, sir. Next, 100 meters men final. R. Vinay Kumar of others headquarters.